Benton, backflip the fence. That's a U trick. You're not here, Benton. Come on. You ready to go on the airplane?
Yeah.
Let's do this. Do you see it? Where is it?
Right here.
Is that our airplane? Is it big?
Mama, where are we going? We're going to fly horse going.
We did it, guys. We flew all the way to New Jersey to go to the Snow Dome to snowboard. Greg picked us up, rocking the warmest merch in the game. It's 28 degrees in there. It's gonna be chilly. Jonathan came along for the journey, and we're about to go snowboard. We've had a very interesting start to the day. Our first hotel was disgusting, and Bobby's like, I'm not staying here. We had to book a whole new hotel, go through all of those hoops. So we're finally here at the Snow Dome, and we're gonna just rip it up. And I'm just so ready to get to snowboarding. I don't have much to say other than it's football season. Oh, you can't see that. This is where the Giants are playing. Literally, MetLife Stadium's right there. Giants versus Steelers. Let's go Steelers. And did you see the Packers dominate? Yeah, so sick. But enough talking. I've been in an airplane all day. I've been hanging out with a 2-year-old all day. And then it was a journey to get here. So let's go snowboard. We're in here. We're in the Snow Dome. It's literally a snow dome. What I did?
What's up?
What's your name?
Andrew.
Hey, nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, DM dude.
All right, it's literally September. We just got on a chairlift. Let's go. And this park looks so fire. They put 2 new features in. I'm so excited.
Round and round we go. Life is like a merry-go. Sometimes I lose control. Like round and round we go. Life is like a merry-go. Sometimes I lose control. Like whoa. Round and round we go. Life is like a merry-go. Sometimes I lose control. Whoa. Round and round we go. Life is like a merry-go, and sometimes I can't let go of my feelings, let go of my pride. Even though I tried it like 1,000 times, I would be lying if I said you wasn't by my side. But when I needed you the most, I saw you running high. Oh, I remember how we used to run the street, yeah. I pulled a James, came from Akron with the heat, yeah. Man, I can't believe that I wasted all my energy on somebody who would turn into my enemy. But look, life is like a merry-go, cause round and round we go. Shame on me for trying to fix something that was broke. Hold up, one day we hit, one day we gone. One day we living and then the next day we don't. I get so stuck in my ways, I just don't know where to go. I guess my life is a fight and I got my back.
Okay, guys, this place is insane.
The pine could keep my mama from crying. My youth was absent of guidance and now it's whoa. Round and round we go. Grow with some kinfolk that we don't hit on no more. Lately I've been grinding and feel like I'm on a roll. Still can't be myself if I keep putting on a show. Cause one day we hit, one day we ain't, one day we moving and then the next day we can't. Feel like I'm losing my...
So the park is literally fire. All the features are super fun. We haven't played with the volcano yet. Speed is one of those things where if you fall, then like the bottom half is like donezo. You gotta not fall, which is a bummer because I'm struggling seeing with the goggles. As weird as that sounds, we've been rocking sunglasses for so long that like I'm losing myself with these goggles, but we wear goggles during the season. It's 28 degrees in here. We got to get used to it. Overall though, we've got some tricks already. And Jonathan and me figuring out how to film with each other. Jonathan's gonna film all season with us, which is gonna be so sick. And like Jonathan's the man. We just gotta find that chemistry. And also, this is meant for regular riders. He's a goofy rider, which is like a match made in heaven, just not here. Anyways, Greg, how is it, dude?
It's pretty good. It's cold.
Are you cold? I'm so hot.
It's cold. When we first got in here, it was cold, and now it's I'm actually kind of sweating.
Yeah, I got some tips for you guys. I'll probably drop a tip video, so be ready for that. Take a layer off, I'm dying. Guys, it's the warmest merch in the game. I'm not lying when I say it. Okay, so I think we're figuring out the jumps because they're not the sickest jumps. I mean, they're snow dome jumps. And oh, I hit Greg in the head with the pole. The big one gives you good air time. Sorry about that, the battery died. So the big one feels like it's like, huh, kapla! And we're gonna test the small one, see if the small one's more like, you know? Maybe a smaller jump, but it might have a better transition. Because right now we're not landing anything off that big one because it's, and there's also a major bomb hole in it. Sorry about that, dude. Just straight whacked him with the pole. Like, subscribe, let's go. Alright guys, Jonathan is the man that was like, dude, go to the small jump. That's the jump. That one feels better, dude. You weren't wrong. Jonathan, he obviously knows physics, trigonometry, how do you say that? Trigonometry. The dude's a beast, and we're killing it. Greg, I literally have not looked at you snowboard yet today. How is it going?
Knocking the rust off.
Dude, sometimes you gotta knock it off. I don't have to knock the rust off, so I'm just like, ah! From the get-go, which is sick. But the bad thing is, are we gonna run out of tricks?
I don't think so.
Yeah.
We'll get after it tomorrow.
Yeah, jump over the rope.
We could do that.
That's a Benton trick. Benton would do that.
100%.
Benton, we need you to backflip.
You're not Benton? Where are you?
Backflip the jump over the fence, Benton. Benton, backflip the fence. That's a you trick. You're not here, Benton. Come on. Alright guys, I have a legit question. How do they make the snow in here? I'm not seeing any snow blowers. Do you have the answer? Comment down below. We're doing a 2-hour session. So far everything that's gone down has happened within 2 hours, and I probably deleted something out. We didn't have the sickest runs at the beginning. But now we're killing it, and it's so much fun, guys. Let's get a good one. This place is so sick. Alright guys, that was Chipmunk. We gotta kill it. I think we did kill it. I think we killed it just one last more time. Oh, I'm having so much fun. But before we get out of here, we gotta mention today's sticker shout out, guys. We got Jono with the Keep Evolving stickers. Dude has so many, literally on every single piece of gear, dude. Absolutely killing it. Thank you so much for supporting the dream, guys. If you want an Evolution sticker, they're all linked in the description. If you snag any of them, guys, tag me on Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shoutouts. But make sure you also follow my Instagram. I'm posting a lot of extra content there, especially the stories are like a behind the scenes. So make sure you're following my Instagram or you guys, I promise, are missing out if you don't. And then here we go, guys. We're almost at the top. This chairlift's not bad. I thought it was gonna be really bad. It's like a 4-minute to the top. It's not bad at all. I thought I could be smooth. Oh, whoa. Guys, seriously, we're snowboarding real snow. The snow in here was incredible. The snow dome did not disappoint. I still don't know how they made it. And where do you keep your cat? Where's the cat at? I see no cats in here. Oh, look at these people go. I want to give this a shot. I could literally sleep in here, guys. We gotta get going. Was it worth it?
It was definitely worth it.
Was it worth flying all the way to Colorado for a 2-hour session?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was. I'm not excited for how hot it's gonna be when we walk out of here. I will say, walking out into a mall is the weirdest feeling in the world, especially when the mall is empty and closed. Hello! Yeah, I know that was a terrible transition. I forgot to end the video, but full dad mode kicked in. Had to get Roman some food. So we're back at the place. Dude, we traveled all the way to New Jersey to the Snow Dome, and it did not disappoint, guys. What a sick day. We have 3 more days of riding. Roman's gonna go snowboarding. It's gonna be really sick, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have to hit that like button, because we traveled all the way to rip this place, and it felt so good. We got some sick tricks, and we're gonna get more sick tricks. And other than that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today, and as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow for more snowboarding.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no.
So right now, Roman's favorite part's the chairlift, right?